Hello, my name is Seth and welcome to Sense Varieties, where we're all about lifestyle tutorials, having fun, and of course, good vibes. Now, for the returning subscribers, welcome back to the family, and for those who are here for the first time, remember to press that subscription button and the bell next to it so that you can also be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, as you know, I've been on a journey to grow my hair long and healthy, and I've been sharing some of the tips that I've been using with you guys, and clearly they've been working for me. As you can see, here's my hair. So today I'll be showing you how to make your onion oil. Yeah, sometime back I made a video on how to make your onion juice and it's been working for me. I don't know if it's been working for you. Please do comment down below if you've tried it before and let me know how it's working for you. So today I'll be using 3 ingredients to make my onion oil. So the first ingredient, it's no stranger or it's not a new thing. It's the coconut oil. I don't know if you can say it. Yeah, you can use any oil as your carrier oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, or those other oils. But I like my coconut oil because this is recommended for cooking, baking, or for dressing your salads. So I'm sure this won't be altered with its nutrients won't be altered with the heat. I think the same applies for olive oil. So that's why people like using it. And it's really good in terms of its benefits to your hair, your scalp, and general health. Now, the second ingredient, of course, as the name, onion oil. I'll be using my red onion. You can use whichever onion that is available to you. Now, you can stop there or you can decide to mix it up a bit. Sometimes people mix the olive oil with coconut oil, avocado oil with coconut oil, or even mix all of them together. But I'll be using just these two. Okay, the third ingredient comes and it's the garlic. So this, I'm just using a clove of it, don't worry, I don't want that strong smell on my hair, but this is really good. It is strong, it grows your hair long and healthy. Now the good thing is I'll be using this more like an hot oil treatment and I can do the same. So don't worry, these are ingredients that I believe you guys have, and if you don't have them, they're very easily accessible to you and cheap. So let's go to the kitchen where the magic happens and let's do this. So guys, as you can see, I have my chopping board, my knife, and now for the ingredients, I have my coconut oil with me, a clove of garlic, and my onion. For the onion and the garlic, I've already peeled them off and they're ready to be chopped up. Now, some of the reasons as to why I chose these ingredients. One, for my coconut oil as my carrier, it has amazing properties, but you can use any other carrier oil of your choice, whatever works for you, remember. Now, coconut oil fights fungal infections and prevents dandruff. It has calming effect on an irritated scalp and an itchy scalp. It also helps seal in the moisture. It also gets really absorbed on your hair shaft or your hair strands better than other oils, and this helps in preventing hair breakage and split ends. Now, if you did watch my other video on onion juice, some of the benefits of onions and garlic are they have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help in treating scalp infections, prevention of dandruff. They are also very high on sulfur content. This helps in boosting of hair growth. It helps in circulation of blood on scalp. These are very good ingredients. Now, if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it and you'll be amazed. Now, as you can see here, I've already chopped up my onion and my garlic, and then I transferred them in my pot together with the coconut oil, and then I'll just put it on fire for a few minutes. Don't go away, just keep stirring it. Be there so that your onions don't get burnt. In my case, I was just stirring after every few seconds. I don't want the ones on the ring of the pot to get burnt. So you can decide to remove them the moment your onions turn a bit translucent, but I like when they are turning a bit golden brown. This is because I feel like they've extracted every nutrient in them, but do whatever works for you. Now, after cooking it, I put out the fire, but I forgot to remove the pot on the stove, so they got a little bit cooked, but not to worry. The smell of the oil was still okay. It wasn't that burnt onion smell. And after that, I just got a cup. You can use whatever works. You can use a jar, you can use a bowl, and then just get a strainer, a cheesecloth, or a sieve and just strain it. That's what I'm doing, as you can see. So I got every last bit of it, and then you just get a spoon and press it down, squeeze it completely to get every last bit of the oil. Yeah, and it is amazing. People, you'll see results when you use this oil. As you can see, I forgot to remove my pot, and that's why some of my onions are a bit dark brown instead of golden brown, but not to worry, it's still amazing. So you just squeeze it out, all of it, don't leave it out. Well, you can decide to throw away the onions, you can decide to use them when it comes to cooking. At the end of the day, do you. In my case, I used coconut oil recommended for cooking, so I can use it in the thickening of my soup, but this one I don't think I'll use it. I'll just throw it out away because it is a bit cooked. Now I got my applicator bottle and I transferred the oil. Remember to let your oil cool down. You don't want to end up burning your applicator bottle. Mine was already cooled down. I transferred it. As you can see, it's very clear. I've strained out every onion out of it. No flakes, no nothing. Very clean. This is my applicator bottle. It had aloe vera oil before. I didn't clean it. I just transferred. I'm sorry. Anyway, just get your applicator bottle and you're good to go. Easy peasy, people. So I'll show you how I use it. Finally, here we do have our onion oil, and yeah, put it in an applicator bottle and do this one now oil. Especially when the oil is hot or warm. Okay, don't use it when it's hot, just when it's warm. There's a very good feeling. And then after this, I just massage my head for a couple of minutes. I'm good to go. Now, if this is the kind of content that you do enjoy, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and tell a friend to subscribe. Till next time, bye.